Rahul, how are you? It's been a long time.
I'm doing well. I'm here to buy a new EV car. They're really expensive though. I might have to break my fixed deposit or take a loan to buy one.
FD? You're still investing in FDs?
Yes, FDs are safe investments and I get around 7 to 8% return.
I see. So you've switched from traditional fuel cars to electric ones. But your investments are still traditional, huh?
I don't get it. What are you trying to say?
I'm saying that if you keep investing in traditional instruments like FDs, it will be really tough to beat inflation and build wealth. Start investing in mutual funds instead. This way, you'll be able to beat inflation and build wealth in the long term. I started an SIP of Rs 10,000 in equity mutual funds 10 years ago to buy my new car, and today the estimated value of my investment is approximately Rs 23 lakhs.
But the market has so many ups and downs. Isn't there a lot of risk in mutual funds?
In the short term, there is volatility in equity, but in the long term, there's also growth potential. If you invest with the help of a mutual fund distributor, they can understand your financial needs and risk profile to guide you properly.
You're right. From now on, I'll also invest in mutual funds with the guidance of a distributor to meet my needs.
And Rahul, only when you keep up with the challenging times can you truly move forward.